Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the even moss stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the even moss stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2. This stitch is going to be made up of one row that you will repeat for however long you want your project. I will show you how to make that one row on the row that I am currently working. To start row 1, you're going to make one chain on your hook. If you're working into your chains, you're going to skip this step. Into your first stitch, you're going to make a slip stitch. If you're working into chains, you would make this slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. Into the next stitch or chain, you're going to make a half double crochet stitch. Into your next stitch or chain, you're going to make a slip stitch. Into your next stitch or chain, you're going to make a half double crochet. Into your next stitch or chain, you're going to make a slip stitch. Into your next stitch or chain, you're going to make a half double crochet stitch. Into your next stitch or chain, make a slip stitch. Into your next stitch or chain, make a half double crochet stitch. You would now alternate between the slip stitch and the half double crochet stitch until you reach the end of your row. And that is how that row is looking. Like I said earlier, you would repeat this one row for however long you want your project. And that is going to be the even moss stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely on one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.